So, the story of the explorers who discovered the bluebuck living in an isolated pocket of South Africa and then almost immediately watched one of the rarest species in existence be plunged into extinction is one of the most haunting and brutal examples of how quickly the natural world can be gone in a blink. The bluebuck was one of the rarest animals on the entire planet during the American Revolution and Napoleonic Wars. And because the European world was consumed by war and expansion throughout the 1700s, the short recorded existence of the bluebuck was swallowed up and overshadowed throughout history to the point that most people today have never even heard of this creature. It stood about 4 feet tall at the shoulder and was built like a small horse. Its coat is described as a strange shimmering bluish gray color, almost silver blue in the sunlight, with a bright white patch just in front of each eye. It had long, curved black horns that ringed backwards like a corkscrew. It looked like nothing else on the African continent and lived nowhere else on the planet except a narrow strip of grassland squeezed between a small few towns in southern Africa. That tiny range is exactly what made it so vulnerable, and exactly why it's the first large African mammal to be driven to extinction by humans in recorded history.